Yours truly is the happiest bitch on the internet. Why is that? Because I don't have a smartphone. Do you know what that's like? To stare off into a distance? Sorry, I have a camcorder. I'm recording with my camcorder. A lot of people don't know what that is. It's a device that films you. You know how you have like your smartphone and it does everything for you short of giving birth to a baby? It probably will in the future. You know, we might as well have like AI babies since people aren't human beings anymore anyway. But yeah, I record using a camcorder, and I get lost all the time because I don't believe in the government following me around. A lot of people can wave a Gadsden flag all day, but they still have the government following them around, so they might as well just commit suicide. They should have done that anyway, but, you know. People don't know how to commit suicide. Unless they're a pharmaceutical guinea pig.